One of the few remaining quiet spots that nobody knows about. Look at it in all its glory. Alright guys, I'm out in Blencathra today to find another beautiful hidden gem of the Lake District. Follow along to see where we end up. So today is going to be more of a showcase rather than my usual full in-depth guides. The reason being is this place is at imminent risk of landslide. So if you're already familiar with this area and you can work out where the waterfall is based off of this video alone, then you can make your own decisions on whether you want to take the risk. But please do be aware there is a real and imminent danger of landslide in this area. Tuesday afternoon out here in Keswick. I was only meant to be 25 or so. I don't know if it's a lack of wind or what, but wow, it feels absolutely scorching today. I've wore the wrong colour top for it, like black, absolutely absorbing all the heat. I'm normally quite prepared, but I just thought, fuck it this time. I'm only doing a short hike. Get out in a t-shirt and a pair of trainers. Make the most of it. Woo! But we're going to a beautiful hidden waterfall today. I've been spending some time the last couple of weeks trying to scour the maps, looking in Facebook groups online and that, see if I can spot any hidden gems that no one seems to have covered yet out in the Lake District, and this is one of them. So follow along, stay tuned and see what we'll find. Smile! Smile! Yeah, you look beautiful. Sharp edge looks awesome from here, doesn't it?
Two spiders.
Start on it. Do you like that? Is it nice? Is it nice, pee-pee?
There's a little face poking through. That's so cute.
Oh wow. Now this is the safe bit, the rock there and the rock there. Nice in here, but there is a strong current.
Yeah. But that was
beautiful in here. Dad? Come with Dad. I'll go where I can stand so I can help you. Just a picture, please. Check it out guys, yet another beautiful hidden gem of the Lake District. One of the few remaining quiet spots that nobody knows about. Look at it in all its glory. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, the sun just went behind the clouds for a second, but when the sun comes out, it's a beautiful crystal blue. This is what life's all about. Just remember, your life was always supposed to be your individual adventure. Every single one of it was born to be unique. Be yourself, express yourself, be authentic. Don't forget, life's an adventure. Get out there. And if this is what you love doing, start living it today. The absolute beauty and wonder of nature in the UK. Oh, absolutely lush. Check out that waterfall. Above and below. That's us just had a look wild swim in another beautiful hidden gem of the Lake District, a nice secluded hidden waterfall. Now we're going to go meet up with the rest of the family at a less dangerous spot with a bait. Have a nice little dip in the river. Whew. Sorry about that, I was climbing quite a steep incline there. Oh, Lake District, I love you. I'll never get bored of you. To the way. Not afraid of no, are you? Look at that, Dad. Hey, princess. Is it cold? Is it cold? Daddy's hand. Daddy's hand. I'll help you up to there. You're a bit safe out here. Is that better? Yeah. So you got some stones. Stand on there, right? Good girl. Hey. Yeah, oh, you need help. I'll take you further back. Just put me pants down. Well, there you go, guys. That's a wrap on this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more hiking, wild camping and wild swimming videos around the UK, especially the Lake District. And as always, don't forget, life was always meant to be your adventure, so be yourself, be authentic, express yourself fully, and get outdoors.